right, we're going to play in some more makeup. So I know a lot of people or a lot of channels have already done this, but I wanted to play in it too. So I'm just going to jump in here and do this. I haven't done it's been a little while, maybe not as often as I had been doing them before. So, but this is the Colourpop Gather Around Sisters palette, and they had the two. I didn't like the first one that they put out that was, I saw it Ulta, it was a square palette. I didn't really care for this, but the colors in here screamed fall to me. So I thought I would just do a little look with this today because I got to get ready anyway, right? So, and I just finished filming this look, or this review on this foundation, and it is a one side versus the other side. And I'll link that down below. It is actually the video that I just did. I think it went up before this one, but it is the comparison of L'Oreal Age Perfect against Estee Lauder. So, yeah, I wanted to see how they do. And so if you want to check that out, that link will be down there below. But we're going to, I've already primed my eyelids. I've already done my eyebrows. And I'm testing out this new one on the eyebrows. Letting you know how I think about this. It's the Revlon Color Stay Brow Fiber Filler. And this is what I've used today on my eyebrows. I've already primed my eyelids with Milani eyeshadow primer. Lightly powdered them with a Milani Prep Set and Go. So the eyelids have been sitting there and they're ready to go. So we're going to do, first, I'm just going to do an all over with Hello Salem, which is this one right here. I love that they've got, you know, in here, instead of a mirror, I don't need a mirror in these compacts because I use my little magnifying mirror here, but I just love that. So my daughter and I, we watched Hocus Pocus the other night, so we've already got that out of the way. But I do have my Hocus Pocus cup with some pumpkin spice latte. So we're in the mood. So, all right, I got my switch pan here. I'm going to get out, let's see, I want my Sonia G Worker one. Love this brush. And I'm going to go into Hello Salem. And I'm just going to start putting that all over my lid. And of course, someone's either sending me a message or it's a notification of something. So I'm going to take this right up to right above the brow bone with the all right, they're just driving me crazy. So one of them is my daughter, so I'll get back with her in a minute. So okay, we're just going to put this all over, and my goodness, let me just turn this down a little bit because it just keeps going off. There we go. It never fails, does it? Thank goodness I don't have it. I'm not filming with my phone. I film with my Canon DSLR on the tripod right here. So, all right, I've got this down. Now I'm going to go into, this just screams to me because I absolutely love this. I'm going to go in with this, with Yabos. This metallic green right here. I'm going to go ahead and put that down on the eyelid. And I'm looking for a smaller paddle brush to work with that. I'll use this one here. It's a BH Cosmetics, but that's what I'm going to be using, a smaller paddle brush. So it is, let's see, how it does. I'm just going to do it in little sections here. And I'm going to take it up just a little bit higher than the mobile lid. It's a beautiful green shimmer. Bong. Maybe just a touch more right there. Going up a little bit higher there. This would be very pretty just as a one color look as well. But I got plans. So nothing crazy though. Nothing crazy because I got stuff to do. So, all right, so I'm going to go in real quick with my trusty little Sigma blending brush and just kind of make sure that I don't got anything floating around on the edges. All right, so I want a soft fluffy brush here, but not too big. Not too big. So I'm going to go in with this one right here, and this is a Refer 14. And I'm going to go in with this, it's called Dead Man's Toe, which is this one right here. This beautiful matte fuchsia. So I'm just going to go in a little bit so I don't get too much. And I'm just going to kind of start blending that in right on top. All right, that's looking pretty. So we got kind of the, well, magenta wine color mixing in with that shimmery green. I like that. All right, I'm going to take my blending brush again and kind of just go over that one. Make sure I don't got anything sticking out there. I love Colourpop eyeshadows. All right, I think I need a little bit more in this corner right here. Kind of pulling it down here. I'm not really doing the outer V or anything. I'm just kind of making that angle. That's very pretty. I'm happy with that. I am very happy with that. So I'm going to go in with, let's see, I'm going to use this paddle brush again, but I'm going to go in with this color called Winch, which is this Arctic Silver one right here, just for a little bit in the inner corner. Just a smidgen right there, just a smidge. All right, so I'm going to go in, where is it? A flat liner. And I'm going to go into that Dead Man's Toe. And I'm going to start here in the center and go to the middle. Just ever so gently. In the lash line. Okay. Do the same over here. Just a little bit. So I'm going to go into that green Yabos that is so pretty. And I'm going to do the outer part of the eye with it. Same, just ever so gently in the eyelash line there. So I'm thinking now, I tell you what, let's do a little pointy soft brush here. Let's take it up a little bit. The right above it, the Thackeray Binks, the glitter fuchsia. Just dip in the tip. And just kind of add a little bit of the shimmer of that color as well, right there. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm going to come back. I'll have my eyeliner and my mascara on and my lips on, and I'll tell you what it is. All right, I'm back and finished with this look. So what do you think? With this beautiful palette, I used Dead Man's Toe and Yabos and Hello Salem and in the inner corner Winch, this little frosty color right here. So, and in my waterline down below, I used Colourpop's gel liner in, I have no idea, but it's a pretty metallic green. I thought it would look good with it. I can't see it. Let's see if I can see it on the box. I threw the box away because I just got it recently and I wanted to try it. Wildcat, beautiful color. I love that. All right, and then the top waterline, I just used my Dior black waterproof. And on my lips, I've got, I lined with Lancome Ideal, my favorite nude liner, and MAC's Captive number A65, which is this beautiful plum color. So, oh, and on my cheeks, to tie all this in, if I can find it. Oh, okay, it is in one of my little palettes here that I created. I have a bunch of palettes that I created myself with MAC's individual ones. And this is called, it says Love Cloud, but I think it might be Breezy. I'm not sure. But it's this beautiful darker one right here. So, all right. So, yeah. So, that's it. So, thank you for letting me show you my little palette. I would love to hear. I know a lot of people have already done this and have created looks, but I wanted to create a look that is very wearable day to day for the mature woman. And I think this one is, I mean, I can literally wear this out anywhere. I think you could make it go more into drama makeup if you want to, but this is just a simple everyday look for the mature woman. So Ladies, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate it. But ladies, what I tell you every single day? I tell you every single day, get up and show up because you're worth it. So until I see you in my next video, have a very safe and a very blessed day.